In this video, you will learn how to configure URL monitoring in BMC Helix PATROL for synthetic monitoring. At Apex Global, Steve, a system administrator, wants to monitor the availability of a business service. He uses BMC Helix Operations Management to track the health of applications. To capture availability data, Steve configures web URL checks by creating a URL monitoring profile in BMC PATROL for synthetic monitoring. The results are then reflected in BMC Helix AI Ops as part of the overall service health. Let's see how Steve sets up monitoring for web URLs. He begins by creating a monitor policy in BMC Helix Operations Management. On the Create Monitoring Policy page, he adds all the required details for the policy. Now, let's see the monitoring configuration that Steve selects to monitor web URLs. In the monitoring solution and monitor profile, Steve selects Synthetic Monitoring and selects the monitor type as URL monitoring. Steve then adds the configuration details of the URL that he wants to monitor. He enters the URL address he wants to monitor and the URL display name. Steve defines acceptable HTTP response codes and adds 404 to that list, since some URLs require authentication even though they are considered healthy. For basic authentication, Steve enters his username and password. Steve selects case-sensitive verification and compares the HTTP response to the response criteria he had previously selected. Moving on to global settings, he specifies the path to Java 11 or above. Next, he configures device mapping to use external DNS hostname. To enhance the monitoring capabilities, Steve enables file-based monitoring by using a predefined format. Steve then sets up global proxy settings to monitor the URL's accessibility through the secure proxy server. He enters the name of the server where the proxy is configured. Finally, Steve enables annotations to track errors or collect additional information. After the configuration is complete, Steve saves and enables the policy. URL monitoring is now successfully enabled across all Apex Global's environments. For more information, visit our online documentation. The link is available in this video's description. Thank you for watching this video.